To get a vehicle identification number or VIN for a homemade car in 2025, you need to follow a series of steps. First, understand what a VIN is. A unique 17-digit code that identifies your vehicle. Start by contacting your local Department of Motor Vehicles or DMV to inquire about their specific requirements for homemade vehicles. They will guide you on the necessary paperwork and inspections needed. Next, gather all the required documents, including proof of ownership for the vehicle's components, such as the engine and chassis, and a detailed description of the vehicle, including its make, model, and year. You will also need to fill out a form, usually provided by the DMV, with your vehicle's information and submit it along with the supporting documents. After submitting your application, your vehicle will undergo a safety inspection to ensure it meets the federal and state safety standards. Once your vehicle passes the inspection, you will be assigned a VIN, which will be issued by the state or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. It is essential to note that the process may vary depending on your location, so it is crucial to check with your local authorities for specific requirements. Additionally, it is recommended to keep all the documents and records related to your vehicle, as they may be required for future reference or when selling the vehicle. By following these steps and complying with the regulations, you can successfully obtain a VIN for your homemade car in 2025. Remember to always check with your local DMV for the most up-to-date information and requirements.